We're going to be doing a screen repair on an Acer Aspire 1 Windows netbook. You can see how the screen is cracked. We'll go ahead and get started, and then once we get finished you'll be able to see how it turned out. Alright, the tools you'll need is an X-Acto knife with a small edge used for gently prying. You'll also need a longer shank flat screwdriver, and then a small set of Phillips head screwdrivers. You can either use precision screwdrivers or others with a small tip. The important thing is though that they be small enough to use on the screws for the computer screen. We just received our screen in the mail, and gently remove that from the packaging. It is right there. The shield covers up the screen surface, so you'll want to wait until you get it prepared and taken apart to remove that. First thing that we'll do is we're going to use the X-Acto knife to remove these small plugs down at the base that cover the screw heads. Keep those someplace where you can access them later to put them back. And then take one of your precision screwdrivers, remove the two screws down at the base of the screen. And these hold on the frame which holds the screen in place. Alright. Using a screwdriver or one of these smaller screwdrivers, you'll want to gently pry at the seam, starting at the top and working your way down. Alright, taking those clips loose, gently remove this top area. You need to move the screen all the way back to do so. Okay, set that off to the side. Now take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding the screen in place. They're a different color than the other screws that held the cover in place, so you don't need to worry about mixing them up. Alright, having removed those, gently pull the screen away. Use this. This is where the screwdriver will need to be used. You'll need to remove the cabling and the rest of the part of the webcam from the back of the screen carefully. You can see how it's attached back here. And that's the cabling from the webcam. If need be, fasten it to the back of the panel with your thumb so it doesn't put too much strain on it. And that glue will come off fairly simply. There you go. Okay. This is where it gets a little bit delicate. You'll have to remove the tape. This tape is put on to hold the plug together, the plug that actually provides power to your screen. Take the X-Acto knife and gently get underneath the edge there. Now before you go any further, you'll want to gently remove the adhesive holding the cabling to the base of the screen here. You don't want to disturb the pins. And you can see the electrical connection here. It plugs in very gently. So you want to remove these cables out of the way. That way it just unplugs. Alright. Just like that.